Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class we will start from exercise 6b question number 20. Till 18 we have done already, isn't it? So let's see the question first and then we will solve it. Question number 20 children, find the value of 2.3 a to the power 5 b square into 1.2 a square b square when a value is 1 and b value is 0.5. So I hope you all are now writing the question number 20 children. I am also writing on the board. Find the value of 2.3 a to the power 5, 2.3 a to the power 5 and b to the power 2, okay, into one more monomial is there, 1.2 a square b square, 1.2 a square b square. We have to find the product first, and then when a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0.5, we have to find the value of this particular expression. Clear? Now see this question. First of all, we will multiply the number which is in decimal form, children. We will multiply the number with the number and variable with the variable. So here the decimal number or number which is given here is 2.3. So 2.3 will be multiplied with 1.2. 2.3 will be multiplied with 1.2 into, now the variable children, a to the power 5 and a square, a to the power 5 and a square, then b to the power 2, b to the power 2 into b to the power 2, everywhere multiply sign is there, okay. Now when you will multiply 2.3 into 1.2, what you will get? Let's see this. When you will multiply in rough work 2.3 into 1.2, what you will get? You will not see this decimal now. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2. So this is 276 without decimal. But when you will write the number 2776, now total 1 decimal place and 1 decimal place. Total 2 decimal places are there. So we will put this decimal sign here. 2 decimal places in the answer. If you are multiplying this 2.3 with 1.2, the answer will be 276, and with the decimal number 1 decimal point means total 2 decimal places you have to place in the answer. To a to the power 5, a to the power 2, a to the power 7. Why? The power will be added, children. When the base is same, a power will be added. Same case, base is same, b power will be added, b to the power 4. Now they said find the value of this if a is equal to this a is equal to 1 and this b is equal to 0.5. Find the value. So we will substitute the value of a. Wherever a is written, we will write 1. So a to the power 7. So 1 to the power 7 into wherever b is, we will write down 0.5. So wherever b is, write down 0.5 and its power is 4. So to the power 4. That will multiply with 2.76. 1 to the power any number is 1 always. You know, when you will multiply 1 with itself, how many times you will multiply it doesn't matter. The answer will be 1 only. So it will give you 1. But what about 0.5 to the power 4? 0.5 to the power 4, when you will multiply, what you will get? Children, it's just like 5 to the power 4. But let me explain you because you are beginner. So what you will do, children, when you will multiply 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4, the value is 625. Okay, we have to multiply 0.5 to the power 4, but instead of this, I am not taking this decimal point, I am just taking the number. that what is 5 to the power 4? 5 to the power 4 means when you will multiply 5 4 times. So this will be 5 5 are 25, 25 5s are 125, and 125 into 5 times 6, 625 children. 625 is the answer of 5 to the power 4. But what we are multiplying children? 0.5 to the power 4 means answer will be 625 definitely. But if this decimal place will be there, we have to put this decimal also. We have to put this decimal place also. And how many times we are multiplying this? 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. 4 times means we will get 4 decimal places, isn't it? In total we will get 4 decimal places. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5. Total 1, 2, 3 and 4 decimal places we will get when we will multiply 0.5 4 times. So in answer also you will have 4 decimal places. Only 3 numbers are there. So put 1 0 and now the decimal place, and here also 0. So in this way we can find 0.5 to the power 4. Okay. Or if this concept is not clear to you, you can multiply 0.5 into 0.5 4 times. Then also you will get the same number, 0.065. So this is 2.76 into 1 to the power 7 will be 1 only, and into this is 0.0625 children. Okay, this will be the answer. Now when you will multiply this, what will be the answer? After multiplying this 276, no need to take the number now, 276 and take 625 from here, only the number, ignore these zeros beta. Okay, so 625. So when you will multiply this, 5 6 are 30, 7 5s are 35 and 1 36. No, not 1. 6 5s are 30, 3 is left, 7 5s are 35 and 3 38. 38, 3 is left, 5 2s are 10 and 3 is 13. Then 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 1 15, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42 plus 3, 45, 4 is left, 6 2s are 12 and is 16. 0 0 5 1 carry will be there, 6 plus 3 9, 1 10 15, then 12, then 7 and 1. 172500, 172500. This will be the answer when you will multiply only number with number. Now we will put the decimal place, because in the question we are having decimal numbers. This is 2 decimal place, and from here 4 decimal place. So total 6 decimal places we have to put. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, children, here we will put the decimal place. Okay. So the answer will be what? Answer will be 0.1725. This will be the answer. Okay. So in this way you can solve the question. First multiply number with number, decimal number with number. This answer will come. Multiply the same variable a and a to the power 5 and 2 will become 7, b to the power 2 plus 2 will become 4. Now substitute the value of a which is given in the question. Substitute the value of b which is given in the question. Solve this, you will get 0.625 and then multiply to find the answer. Now children, let's see the next question. Children, our next question is question number 21 you will solve. Okay, 21 you will solve, children. Now I am going to take the next question, that is question number 22. Question number 22. Find the product given below in each case and verify the result. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. Okay, this is the question. So quickly write down the question. I am also writing down. I am erasing my board work. Till then you can write down question in your notebook. Write down question in your notebook, children. Children, I hope you all are writing. A is equal to 1, B value is equal to 2 and C value is equal to 3. I have completed my question. Now see the board. See this. We have to multiply it first. There are 3 monomials. Single term and single term. 3 monomials are there and we have to multiply them. Okay. And after multiplying it, we have to find the value when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. Then what will be the value of this particular expression which we will get from its product. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो हमें मिलेगा उसमें A, B, C की वैल्यू रख के, बिकॉज A, B, C आर अननोन, isn't it? 2/5, 15, you know it. A, B, C क्या है? This is unknown. These are variables and its value is given. So what will be the final answer? So first of all we will multiply, children. So we will collect the number 2/5 from here, then minus 15 from second, and then minus 1/2 from the third monomial. Okay, collect all the new numbers first. Now it's time for variable. A square, this is A square into A, and no A is there in the third monomial. Then B, from here B square, and there is no B in the third monomial. Now let's see the C. C is not here. Take C from here, and one C square is from the third monomial. So side by side we have collected it. Now we will solve, children. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. 2 is cancel out. 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So in numerator what is left? See, 1 into minus 3 into minus 1, and in denominator what is left? 1 into 1, that is 1. You can write it also. A to the power 2 plus 1. Okay, A to the power 2 plus 1 into B to the power 1 plus 2, then into C 1 to the power C to the power 1 plus 2. In this way we will solve it. 1 into 3 into 1, 3 will come, minus will become plus. Then A to the power 3, B to the power 3 and C to the power 3, children. Now it's turn to substitute the value. This is our final answer. Okay, this is our final answer when you will multiply it. Now substitute the value of A here. What is the value of A? What is the value of B? And what is the value of C? And then find the value. Find the final answer. 3. A is 1, 1 ka cube. Then B is 2, 2 ka cube. And C is 3, 3 ka cube. Okay. Now answer will be 3 into 1 into, is it visible? Yes. 2 ka cube is 8 and 3 ka cube is 27. 3 into 3 into 3. Now next turn is multiply this. 27 3s are 81, children. Okay, 7 3s are 21. 2 will be left. 3 2 is 6 and 2 8. 27 into 3 is 81 and 81 into 8 we have to do. 81 into 8. So 8 ones are 8 and 8 8s are 64. So the final answer is 648. Is it visible? No, it is not visible. So I am writing here 648. This is the final answer. Okay. In this way you can solve it. Now see the next question. Next question, children. Question number 24. Children, I hope you all are writing. Question number 24. It is 4 by 9 A, B, C to the power 3 into minus 27 by 5 A cube B square into minus 8 b cube c minus 8 b cube c. You can match it also, that whatever you have written is correct or not. Okay, and then proceed, children. Then after that you can proceed. So now question number 24 is this much, and we have to verify also, children. We have to verify. So we have to, how you will verify that your LHS should be equal to RHS, isn't it? Okay, you have to verify it also. So in previous question also you have to verify that whatever answer is coming, substitute the value of ABC and substitute the value of ABC in the question also. And then verify that whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay, so now let's see this. First we will multiply it, children. How you will multiply? 4 by 9 into minus 27 by 5 into minus 8. Collect all the numbers at one place. Now variable a into a cube into, no a is there. Now b into b square into b to the power 3, and c cube, and one more c is there, c cube and c. So these are the total variables and numbers which we have placed side by side so that we can multiply them. Now if you will multiply 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27, or you can directly 9 3s are 27, directly 9 3s are 27, then no number can be subtracted and can be further simplified. 4 into minus 3 into minus 8 divided by 5. Okay, a to the power 1 plus 3, that is a to the power 4. Then b to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 means b to the power 6, and c to the power 3 plus 1 means c to the power 4. This is your answer. Okay, and now what you will do, you will put the value of a, b, c which is given in the question, that a is equal to 1. You will put a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3, and its power is 4. So write down its power as 4, its power is 6, its power is 4. And here the number is 4 3s are 12, or simplify it further. Minus minus will become plus, 4 3s are 12, minus 12 into minus 8, and then further it can be simplified, children, divided by 5. Now 12 8s are 96, so minus minus will become plus, children. So 96 by 5 into 1 into 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 is 64. 2 to the power 6 is 64. How? See, 2 to the power 6. 6 times we will multiply it. Okay, 4 times again, then 5 and then 6. 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, 16 to ja 32, and 32 to ja 64. So it is 64. And 3 to the power 4 is 81. How, children? 3 to the power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 times you will multiply 3. So 3 3s are 9. Okay. 9 3s are 27. And 27 3 times is 81. So you will write 81. Now then also it can't be simplified. 5 is there. No number is simplifying in numerator. So what we will do, we will multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator will be 5. That will be the final answer. That will be the final answer. You will multiply it, children. And how you will verify that this answer is correct? You will substitute the value of a, b and c in the question also. A, B, C की value आप question में भी रखिए. What is your question? Your question is 4 by 9. Let me take another one. 4 by 9. Now a to the power, a value is 1, b value is 2 and c is 3, 3 का cube. Then into minus 27 by 5, a is 1 का cube and b square is 2 का square. And then one more is into minus 8 B is 2 to the power 3 and C is 3. In this way you will write down. So just collect 4 by 9 into minus 27 by 5 into minus 8. इसको साइड बाय साइड ले लीजिए बेटा. And then 2 1 2 there, 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3. Total 2 to the power 6 हो गया. मैंने आपकी मैम ने सारे 2s को कलेक्ट कर लिया. देखिए first I have collected the numbers which are the coefficients, okay, here, because till here we have done this. So its value will be, इतने की वैल्यू क्या आएगी, इतने की वैल्यू आएगी 96 by 5. श्योर है, यहाँ पे भी वही आई थी बेटा. ठीक है. एंड नाउ कलेक्ट 2, देन 2 का स्क्वायर 2 और 2 का क्यूब हो गया. देन 1 more 2 to the power 3, तो 2 to the power 6 हो गया. नाउ कलेक्ट 3 का क्यूब, देन 3. सो ये हो गया 3 to the power 4. अब उसके बाद 1 तो हमें कलेक्ट करना ही नहीं है, 1 का आंसर वही होता है. So see, you can see this will be 64, this will be 81. So into 64 into 81, same answer आएगा. Whatever final answer will come, it will be same in LHS as well as in RHS. Means you will put the value of ABC in the question also. ABC की वैल्यू वहां पे भी रखेंगे और ABC की वैल्यू यहाँ पे भी रखेंगे, जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा. और दोनों का आंसर ये और क्वेश्चन में रखा हुआ वैल्यू, दोनों का आंसर मैच करना चाहिए. देन ओनली योर सॉल्यूशन इज करेक्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज वेरिफिकेशन. ये इसको कहते हैं वेरीफाई करना. ठीक है. सो आप लिखेंगे LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS, हेंस वेरीफाइड. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन. वन मोर क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. Children, I hope you all are writing. Minus 4 by 7 a square b into minus 2 by 3 b square c into minus 7 by 6 c square a. This is your 25th question and you have to find the product and as well as you have to verify it. You have to verify it also, that whatever answer will come after substituting the value of a, b, c, it should match. So when you will multiply, just collect the coefficient minus 4 by 7, minus 2 by 3 and minus 7 by 6. Now collect the variable children. 8 ka power 2, so a ka power 2 into, where is a, yes, one more a is there, so into a. Then b into b square, b into b square, and then we will collect the c part, c variable, c into c square, so c into c ka power 2. So in this way you have written all the things side by side. Now is equal to 7 1s are 7, then 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6 हो गया बेटा. ठीक है. Now no number will multiply, will be further simplified. So minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 1, सब माइनस के टर्म है, डिवाइडेड बाय 3 into 3. ये बचा a to the power 3 बेटा, 2 plus 1 3 and b to the power 3 and c to the power is also 3. सब same. Now here minus minus will become plus, but this minus will be left. So 4 upon 3 3s are 9, a cube, b cube and c cube. ठीक है. अब आप जब इसको सॉल्व करोगे, so your value will be minus 4 to the, by 9. This will be 1 to the power 3. This will be 2 to the power 3 and this will be what? C. C means what? C is your 3. So 3 to the power 3. A की value 1, B value is 2 and C value is 3. Write down and then solve this. So how you will get? Minus 4 by 9 into 1 into 2 का cube is 8 and 3 का cube is 27. 9 1 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27. कट गया बेटा. ठीक है. Now this will become 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 and 12 8s are 96. So answer will be minus 96 at this side. Now let's check the value in the question. Substitute the value of ABC in the question only. Question में अब रखिए ABC की वैल्यू एंड नाउ फाइंड आउट दैट वेदर इट इज कमिंग एज -96 और नॉट. इफ इट विल कम देन योर आंसर विल बी करेक्ट. LHS विल बी इक्वल टू RHS. ये LHS का पार्ट है और ये RHS का पार्ट है, इसीलिए मैंने थोड़ा साइड में किया बेटा दिस टाइम, so that you can do it in this way. Now collect all the coefficient. -4/7 into -2/3 into -7/6. ठीक है, पहले ही कोफिशिएंट कलेक्ट कर लिया हमने. नाउ a square means 1 का स्क्वायर, b means 2, then b square means 2 का स्क्वायर into c means 3, then into c square means 3 का स्क्वायर into a means 1. Why I have written it this? Because this I have calculated already, है ना? That's why. Otherwise you can directly put the value and find it. Now this one children, these three. This one is how much? -4/9. So instead of this I am writing -4/9. Its value will come as -4/9 into 1 का स्क्वायर 1 into 2 into 2 का स्क्वायर into 3 into 3 का स्क्वायर into 1. So 1 और 1 तो 1 ही रहेंगे, है ना? See 2 into 2 का पावर 2, so this will be 2 to the power 3 और 3 into 3 का स्क्वायर, this is 3 to the power 3. So ये हो जाएगा -4/9 into 8 into 27. देखो बेटा सेम आ रहा है, सेम इस क्वेश्चन आंसर इज कमिंग. 9 3s are 27. So 4 3s are 12 or 12 8s are 96. So its answer is also -96. -96 means this LHS, ये LHS है, LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. आप क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? LHS, ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है ना, इक्वल टू के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड किया गया है. सो LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS, hence verified. या अगर आपके पास कॉपी में नहीं है जगह बेटा, यू कैन राइट इट दैट LHS इज दिस मच. Find it first. LHS value is this. Now RHS is the product of the given question. ये लिखिए और फिर RHS value is -96. As we can see, LHS is also 96. RHS is also -96. Both are -96. Hence, the question is verified. Okay. So in this way, you can solve these questions. Many questions were given for homework today. Sit back and do it sincerely, children. Do it sincerely on regular basis. It will benefit you. Till then, take care.